Razer Blade Pro 17 Gaming PC 2019. Intel Center i7-9750H. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Max-Q 17.3-inch. FHD 240Hz, 16GB SLAM, 512GB SSD. CNC aluminum, Chroma RGB lighting. Thunderclap 3, SD card Peruser. Brand Razer. Series Blade Genius 17. Screen size 17.3 inches. Color black. Hard circle size 512 GB. Computer processor model Core i7 family. SLAM memory introduced size 16 GB. Working system Windows 10. Card description dedicated. Illustrations coprocessor NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Max-Q.